Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the battery draining issue on your Anbernic RG556 console. First of all, consider enabling power saving mode in settings, battery saver, and you can either turn it on manually by switching this toggle to the right, or you can set a schedule for it and set a battery level at which you want the battery saver to be enabled automatically. Also, use Battery Manager by switching this toggle to the right in the Battery Manager menu, and check power intensive applications, and if your device detects any, then of course disable their background activity so they don't drain your battery way too much. Also, go to Displays menu and change the brightness level to move the brightness level to the left in order to reduce it, so that you reduce the battery draining. Also consider using adaptive brightness, but if it overshoots on your device, then of course it's better if you set your brightness level manually. Also, you can lower the screen timeout. However, this will affect your gaming experience. I don't think that you would like to set screen timeout for less than 30 minutes and then just to turn off your display whenever you stop playing. You can also enable the dark theme for if you feel comfortable with it. It will also significantly increase your battery life. And besides, if the device powers on but battery drains way too quickly, or it won't charge properly, try fully discharging the device until it powers off, then recharge it slowly with the correct charger. Use the original charger with a 5 volts 2 amperes output and the original charging cable to ensure proper charging. Besides, you should consider updating the system firmware, which you can do by swiping to the last page on your app screen. Go into System Update, check for available updates in here, and download the latest update version on your device. Once the updates are complete, tap OK to restart your device so that the changes are applied. This will fix some minor issues and will optimize your device's battery usage. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.